the chains. They call our faith a phase.